Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit the temperature of a picture in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app, and here it usually opens up in the gallery. From the gallery we have to select a picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. After selecting a picture, it starts to load, and after it has loaded, we go into color in the bottom, and in color there is a temp slider. If we move this slider to the left, then the picture is going to get a little bit bluer, a bit cooler, and if we move it to the right, then the picture is going to be warmer. You can push it to the edge, and then it's almost completely yellow or almost completely blue, but slight adjustments are best. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.